Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own template from 5mm plexiglass. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from designing to cutting and finally applying it to a clock project. Let's get started. The first step is to cut a piece of plexiglass on the saw so it fits into the laser cutter. I'll be using the X-Tool P2 laser for this. But before I cut it, I'll jump into Fusion 360 to design the template. It's a simple process, and anyone can design their own template. The great thing is that Fusion 360 is free for hobbyists, so there's no barrier to accessing the software. Once the design is ready, I save it in DXF format and open it in the X-Tool software to begin the cutting. I set all the parameters and let the machine do its work. The laser cuts with great precision, and the 5mm plexiglass is cleanly cut in one pass. The process goes smoothly, and the fume extraction works perfectly. After the cutting is done, I take out the finished template. Now, to attach it to the clock, I use double-sided tape. I then place the clock mechanism into the hole I previously made in the center of the clock face. I position the template so that it's perfectly centered. The next step is routing. I'm using an 8mm bit for precise cutting. The bit is guided by a 10mm diameter guide mounted in the router. I move slowly, clearing away the chips as I go, until the entire space for the clock mechanism is routed out. Once that's done, I lightly sand the routed area to smooth out the edges. Finally, I peel off the template, and here's how it looks. Below are the dimensions of this template. Feel free to take a screenshot and create it yourself. See you in the next video.